Alright, graphic equalizers. Okay, so for graphic equalizers, you mainly want to use graphic equalizers to balance your instruments out. So you know, listen to your guitar, you listen to your bass, and you want to have some balance, vocals and everything. So you can make much bigger EQ moves to balance things out. It's not going to be the same when you're mastering because, like I mentioned in other videos before, the mastering, you're making tiny little moves like feather EQ. They use it for mastering. It's tiny moves, and you listen to it, and when the ear feels like it's going to move, you print it. But you know, if you make too big moves doing your mastering, you're going to put your audio out of phase, right? So, anyways, back to this. So you're going to make moves here to put your guitar, bass, vocals, and make them sound really good and balanced together. This is what a graphic, excuse me, EQ is for. So, give that a shot.